VW distributors come in two types, with vacuum advance and without. This one, with no vacuum can, that's a mechanical distributor. It's all gears and springs. No help from the carb, no hoses, no signals. And if it looks like this, you probably heard someone call it a 009, the most common mechanical distributor of them all. Sounds like a secret weapon, right? The 009.
Does it have a license to kill?
Likely just your engine performance. This is a Kombi Garage Nibble. Quick win, no filler, just the bit you need. So let's dig in. A mechanical distributor advances the spark purely based on engine RPM. Inside it's just weights and springs. As the engine revs up, those weights fling outward and rotate to advance your ignition timing. So why is it called the 009? Because it rolls off the tongue easier than the full Bosch part number.
0231 178 009.
Now here's the bit that most people miss. The 009 wasn't made for the Beetles or Kombis at all. It was built for industrial engines. Generators, water pumps, stationary motors running at a steady speed all day long. It got a cult following in the 70s thanks to DIY books, calling it a performance upgrade. But VW themselves, they never used it in a 1600. These days, 009 gets slapped onto anything without a vacuum can. But you might have a genuine Bosch 009 unit, a clone from Brazil, Mexico, or who knows where, an earlier Bosch 010 or 019, or even a vacuum distributor with the can hacked off. Each one of these will perform differently, so don't assume it's a 009 unless you can find the full part number stamped on it, not just the 009. Having said all that, the 009 used with dual carbs is still a popular choice for some. Yes! And it will still work with your Solex carb, just don't expect the same performance on takeoff. And when tuning it, you'll need to time it differently. We'll show you how. So let's recap. No vacuum can, mechanical advance only. Might be a 009 or just look like one. Built for steady speed industrial use, not daily driving. So now you know the true 009. But what if your distributor does have a vacuum can? Let's take a bite out of vacuum advance in the next nibble. Got a weird issue or a burning question you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments. And while you're there, let yourself subscribe and give it a like. Share it with a mate. Stitch it to your overalls. Every little action helps us keep these nibbles coming. Thanks for being part of the garage.